Push your trolley. Good job. Good job. We buy more milk. There's no milk for Wally. Hmm? Wait mo, Bem. Wait mo. Kite. Kites. Yan tayo talistan tamo. Chips, chicken. Milk, akiyo. What else? Kailangan tambem. Yan, this way. Uy, pupo. Tapupo mi yun. Uy, sa akin nakakin. Strawberry and what's that? Grapes. Yummy. Is it yummy? Look, mommy. Is it sweet? Hmm? Did you say hi to mommy?
Hi, mommy.
Thank you, mommy, for my strawberry and for my grapes.
No.
Say thank you, mommy.
Butter, babe. Butter.
Tulo. Is it good? Buti pa si Adriel, mahilig siya sa fruits. Kuya Kiyo, banana lang yung kinakain. Yummy. Oo. Say, mahal kita. Say, pamain po. This one or this one? Which one? Which one is yummy? Strawberry or grapes? Oh, magaling na.
Yeah. You know. More. Up that one. Yan.
What's that? Huh? What are you doing? Ay. Mishu Koyama. What? Babu ka? Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Mag-shoes din daw siya, mag-shoes. Let's go. No, 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 no. Touching that, Adriel. Come on. Come on. That's dirty. Come on. Yeah, it's broken. Ang cute tong ano niya. Hat niya. Pag may araw kulay purple. Pero pag sa loob white siya. From Popo. Popo Bernard. Oh! It's okay. You're not gonna vacuum the bed anyway.
Nungor may sa likod ni. Ha? Atot. Buldit. Totoy. Nungor may sa likod ni. Ha? Nungor may lagi. May lagi. Nungor may lagi. Hindi kayo papanto nun. Atot. Atot. Buldit. Buldit. Ah, buldit.
Totoy.
Totoy. Daddy.
Nano?
Daddy ka.
Ayan. Aro yung may ngukon eh. Nano, ama?
Nano? Oh.
Oh.
Nano? Ha?
Na?
Bakit? Nanong buri mo? Nanong buri mo? Nano? Buri? Mo? Nano buri mo? Ima ko. Tatang ko. Ika. Tatang.
Babalabag yan, babalabag. Okay, your color, baby. Adriel. What's that? What do you want? Kaya nga eh, pero itang all day breakfast, itang mga tinampo pa rin eh. Tapos itang ngaliwa yata. Puta dala pa sir. Season na lang eh. Sa bagay, separado ya pala.
Parang the drinks eh.
Kaya nga eh, cheesy.
Uy! Sino yung drink?
Sobrang what do you have there?
Barber.
Double na.
One more.
Yel.
One more.
Kaya where you going? Pipita me man. Pipita me. Uy, manulo. Yummy chips. Oh no, you have chipon.
I'll give you.